Business owners are always worried about their electricity bills. In particular, air conditioning system costs are enormous and difficult to predict. I think I've come up with a better way. I need centralized control. Panasonic AC Cloud. Modern and scalable energy management for your heating and cooling solutions. You can easily manage all your air conditioners with an existing PC or tablet device. Being in a cloud environment, the software is automatically updated and security measures are in place with GDPR compliance. Availability as a subscription service also makes for low-cost implementation. Nowadays, sustainability is a big concern. And the truth is that HVAC systems can account for approximately 60% of a facility's total energy consumption, which can lead to a huge electricity bill. In the case of a hotel, wouldn't it be convenient to be able to monitor and visualize the electricity consumption as well as control the air conditioning remotely? It is easy to override the air conditioning system when a guest forgets to turn it off when they go out. Additionally, common spaces such as reception can be remotely controlled by operators from anywhere. In an office, it can automatically restore the temperature in a meeting room if someone has changed the setting and leaves it that way after using the room. You can easily achieve optimal settings, automatically eliminating wasteful operation in unoccupied spaces. In a supermarket, it can be a challenge to find the right temperature settings for each zone and to adjust them every day. With the AC Smart Cloud, you can easily control only the zones for which you want to adjust temperature settings. It is scalable, allowing multiple users with different operating rights to be assigned at no additional cost. For a restaurant, it enables you to set up a regular air conditioning operation schedule conveniently to fit your business hours. You might worry about sudden air conditioning failures affecting your business. But this solution also offers great maintenance service benefits via AC Service Cloud. It allows you to assign a maintenance company for a better service experience. A system health check can detect and notify you of anomalies before they become failures, helping to minimize any impact on your business. Maintenance companies can remotely access the site and analyze issues quickly by accessing all service parameters, enabling an efficient response to any malfunctions. It is a powerful and revolutionary tool for both business owners and maintenance providers. A proven solution with use case all over the world. Simple to install with only one plug-and-play adapter. Panasonic AC Cloud, the best solution for your daily business.
Panasonic.